Here is my shoulder flossing routine. Let's do it together. Begin in a standing position with the arms down alongside the body. We begin by simply rotating the shoulder girdle. So bring your shoulders up, your shoulder blades up, and then draw them back, squeezing the shoulder blades in, and then down. And then forward, drawing the shoulder blades away from each other, and then up again. One more on this direction. Do your best to not borrow the movement from your rib cage, from your spine, from your pelvis. And then let's reverse the direction. Up, forward, down, back, and up again. One more rotation. And then release. Now let's make the movement bigger. Use your left hand either on the bottom of your rib cage or on your pelvis. You can move it as we move the other arm to give you feedback that you're not moving your spine, you're not turning this into a back bend, into a side bend. Right arm alongside the body, palm facing forward, and then begin by bringing the arm forward. The rule here is to keep the palm up the whole time. And then internally rotate your shoulder when you get to the arm high. Keep internally rotating, bringing the arm back, turning your palm up, and then lowering the arm from behind. Turn the palm forward one more time on this direction. Doing your best to keep your arm as close to your body as possible. And then let's reverse the direction. Move back, palm up, and then externally rotate your shoulder so your palm can continue to stay up. Bring your arm alongside your ear, and then coming down with the palm up. One more time. Externally rotating. And there is a lot of work here to make sure the movement's coming from the shoulders and not from elsewhere. Let's do the other side. Switch hands, the other hand to give you sensorial feedback, and begin. Coming up, internally rotating, keeping the arm as close to the body as possible. One more in this direction. Making sure your breath is flowing naturally. And do your best to keep your neck free. Let's reverse the direction. Externally rotating to keep the palm up and coming from the front. One more time. Softening the jaw as well. And then release. Next is arms out to the side, make fists. Same idea of keeping everything from moving except the shoulders. And let's do internal and external rotation. Internal and external rotation. Now bring the arms alongside the ears and the same idea. Internally and externally rotating the shoulders here, keeping the rest of the body from moving. Bring the arms parallel to the floor and internally, externally rotate and bring the arms back. And make sure you're not making this into a back bend or leaning forward. And let's internally rotate and externally rotate. One more time. Internally rotate and externally rotate. And then release, and let's just swing the arms in opposite directions here, giving a little bend to the knee as you move back and forth. I love to conclude with this motion. And then you can do a little bit of brain work, rotating the arms in opposite direction. And then switch. And that's it.